To adjust or edit existing boundaries within your FieldOps account, we can either go to the fields on the left-hand side, select a field within the list here, or we can just click on a boundary that we wish to edit. Once you have the boundary selected, you click the pencil on the bottom right-hand corner, you can click Edit. Here you can change your grower, farm, or field name if you wish, or you can select Edit for the outer boundary. Here, if you just wish to move a couple points around, you can click on the selection tool and then grab whichever point you wish to move, and you can move those at will. Alternatively, if you wish to add a secondary boundary within your boundary there, you can do that by selecting the polygon tool, and then you can put the points down wherever you wish the boundary to be. If you want to create an offset for your boundary, you can do that by putting in the value you wish. If you want to adjust your boundary by 10 feet, 10 feet, and then click offset, and that'll extend your boundary by about 10 feet around. Here you can use the split tool. If you wish to split your boundary in two, you can put your point down there and click your final point to complete it. If you're wanting to remove obstacles within your boundary, like rock piles or sloughs, you can click the cut tool, and here you can select your polygon as well, or your circle, and you can just draw an area around the place you'd like to remove. Once that's done, you can click Finish Drawing. And if you're happy with everything you have here, you can click Save. Alternatively, if you wish to edit your boundary based off of any agronomic data you have within your FieldOps account, we can do that by clicking Load Layer. And here we can select the layer we wish to use to create our boundary. We'll click OK. Once you have your layer selected, it'll display that on the map there. And we'll have an option on the bottom left that says Use Layer. We can click that. We can click OK. And there you can see your boundary has now hugged your layer to create your new boundary. And we can click Finish Drawing and Save. Now if we zoom back in, we can see that we now have our new layer. And that is how you adjust or edit layers within FieldOps.